Hello again. This is another test. Year-old graffiti spray. See if we can do this one as well. Graffiti Eaterz, doing exactly what it says on the tub. Let's give it another test. I'm going to take 2 wipes out, put plenty of moisture on the surface, see if we can start to break it up. Very quickly you can see the unique formula completely dissolving the graffiti on contact. Right, so I'm going to take one more wipe from the tub. These wipes are only costing 11p each. So 3 wipes to do this cleanup, 33p, I think is exceptional value. And there it was, gone. Graffiti Eaterz, doing exactly what it says on the tub.